Hello students. In this class, we will discuss about the chapter Material Cost Control, in which the topic method of inventory, method of material cost control. This is one of the method of material cost control. By deciding inventory levels, we can control the cost of materials. Inventory levels means we keep the inventory in our storehouses, and in storehouses we decide about the minimum level of the inventory to be kept in the store, the maximum level of the inventory to be kept in the store, the reorder level and the average stock level. Here in stores, there are various bins in which bins are kept with the inventory, or we can say with the material or raw material, and on that bin we write down the minimum level, maximum level, reorder level, average stock level of that materials. Now what is there are certain safety stock levels also below which the material should not go, otherwise the production will get disturbed, and finished goods will not be at proper time, and hence the sales will be affected, and when the sales will be affected, the revenues will also be affected. So first of all, we will be discussing about the minimum level. What is minimum level? The minimum level of a particular item that should be in stock to meet unforeseen contingencies is generally fixed on the basis of the maximum rate of consumption and the minimum time, that is little less than the normal time which would be needed to arrange delivery under top priority conditions. For example, we can say if the maximum usage is 100 units per week and emergency delivery can be obtained in 3 weeks, the minimum level of inventory will be fixed at 100 into 3, or we can say 300 units. The minimum level of stock is not usually touched. However, if the level of stock falls below the minimum, the management must arrange fresh supplies at once on top priority. It is computed by the following formula: minimum level is equal to reorder level minus normal consumption rate, normal means average, into average or normal reorder period. So this is minimum level, and practical questions are given, and on the basis of that we have to compute the minimum level of the inventory to be kept in the storehouse. Now we come to another level, that is maximum level. The maximum level of stock is the upper limit beyond which the quantity of any item held in store should not rise. The level is fixed in advance to prevent overstocking of any material. However, the chief executive may authorize stocks to be held above the maximum limit period under certain circumstances to take advantages of favorable purchasing conditions or in the face of anticipated rise of prices. The maximum level of stock is fixed after due consideration of the storage cost, cost of holding stock, storage space available, risk of obsolescence, risk of deterioration, and average rate of consumption. It is computed by the following formula: maximum level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum reorder period. The third one is reorder level. Reorder level is a specified amount of inventory at or below which, when actual inventory falls, additional material is ordered. Means when this level is reached, uh, the new order is given for purchase of material. Now, how to compute reorder level? To determine this reorder level, a buffer or safety stock is added to expected average usage rate during lead time. Lead time means the time in which the, the, the order will take place to come to the storehouse from the purchase house. It is computed by the following formula: reorder level is equal to maximum consumption rate into maximum reorder period. Now, what is fixed reorder quantity system? The most common reordering system is fixed order quantity and a variable ordering interval. The system recognizes that each item possesses its own unique optimum order quantity Its most common version is the semi-automatic or so-called maximum and minimum balance system. In this type of reorder system, the order size is determined by the cost of ordering, inventory, reorder system, and the carrying cost and the average consumption rate. If the system operates correctly, inventory levels for all the automatically remain between the two desired levels. Then we come to the last level, that is that average stock level. It is half of, or we can say 1 by 2 of maximum level plus minimum level. So in this way we obtain the formulas. Now you can get the practical question for this. Now suppose there is a component A, and for this the normal usage is 15 units per week each, minimum usage is 25 units per week each, and maximum usage is 75 units per week each, and reorder quantity for component A is equal to 300 units, and reorder period is for component A is 4 to 6 weeks, which means it can take maximum 6 weeks to come to the storehouse, and if it operates fastly then it can take 4 weeks to come to the storehouse. So on the basis of that practical question given to you, you are to calculate for this A component reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, and average stock level. So on the basis of this question, if you are to compute reorder level, so I have already told you the formula for computing reorder level is maximum reorder period into maximum usage. So in this question for component A, maximum reorder period given to is 6 weeks, and maximum usage given in this question is 75 units per week each. So for a week, reorder level is 6 into 75, maximum reorder period into maximum usage. So 6 into 75 comes to 450 units. So when in storehouse it reaches up to 450 units, the order should be given for purchase of new inventory. So this is reorder level, the level where we have to give the order to purchase new inventory. Now we come to minimum level. Minimum level, the formula I have already explained you. It is reorder level minus average rate of consumption into average or normal reorder period. So reorder level, as already given in the question for component A, is equal to reorder level, or we can say reorder quantity is equal to for component A, it is reorder level we have already computed. Reorder level for component A we have already computed in first formula, that is 300 units. So 300 units we have computed 450 units. So 450 minus average rate of consumption is given in the question, that is normal usage, that is 50 units per week each, and and normal reorder period we have to compute, that is taking the average of it. If we are given minimum reorder period 4 weeks and maximum reorder period is 6 weeks, so 4 plus 6 amounts to 10. 10 divided by 2, 5, so average will be 5. So 50 into 5, so 450 minus 50 into 5, that is 450 minus 250 is equal to 200 units. In this way we are to compute maximum level. Maximum level formula is reorder level plus reorder quantity. Reorder level already computed 300 units. Reorder quantity given in question is also 300 units. So reorder level is 450 units. We have computed 450 plus 300, and minimum consumption is 25 units per week, and minimum reorder period is 4 weeks. So 450 plus 300 minus 25 into 4. 450 plus 300 is 750. 750 minus 100 is equal to 650 units is your maximum level. And we can easily compute average stock level. Average stock level is half of your maximum level plus minimum level. Your maximum level minimum level is 200 and maximum level is 650. So 850 divided by 2, it amounts to your average stock level for your this one. So I hope you understood all the formulas. Thank you.